we guide you through how to change phone number on PayPal. So the first thing you need to do is to open your PayPal app or go to paypal.com and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, tap the settings icon usually found at the top right corner, then select account and look for phone numbers section. Here, you'll see your current number listed. Click update if you want to edit it or choose add new phone number if you are replacing it entirely. Enter your new mobile number, double check that it's correct and hit next. PayPal will immediately send a verification code to that number, so grab your phone, type in the code and confirm. After verification, make sure to set the new number as your primary phone number so it can be used for security alerts, login confirmations, and payments. If your old number is no longer active, don't forget to remove it to prevent unauthorized access. Finally, save your changes and log out, then log back in to test that everything works perfectly.